Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. My name is Angie. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. You guys, I've not done laundry in days. It's piling up, it's all over the house. I can't stand it. So I'm starting today. I was going to originally make the bed, and then I kind of looked at the bed and went, no, I should probably wash these sheets. It's been a little bit, and not too long. I mean, I don't let it go very long, but it's been a while. So we're going to start with washing the sheets and then sorting the laundry and getting things going.
I walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
Love, love, love our split king adjustable bed. It is so much easier to make than a standard king bed. The head rises up, as you can see, in individual sections. So we use 2 twin fitted sheets and a king size flat sheet. You can buy split king sheet sets that have just that set in them, but they have king size pillowcases, which we don't particularly like. We don't use king size pillows. We just use regular standard pillows. And I also don't like the cost of them. They're super expensive. So I have found it's actually less expensive to watch for linen sales and just get two sets of twin sheets and then an additional king flat sheet. So that's what I'm doing here, is putting on the 2 fitted sheets, and then I'll make the rest of the bed.
You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling.
Look at this flat sheet, you guys. Look at how wrinkled this came out of the machines. I've not seen this before. We've not experienced this before. Now, it was a different kind of laundry detergent, but I don't know why that would make the sheet wrinkle up like this. But I'll tell you, if I hadn't already put a load in the washer and in the dryer, I would have put that flat sheet back through for another wash, because it just really kind of annoyed me that it was as wrinkled as it was coming straight out of the dryer.
Did you know that? Without you I fade away. I just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Laughter and hours of gloom. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burned out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
You guys thought I was kidding, didn't you? Look at all that laundry. 5 laundry baskets full of dirty clothes for 2 people. Ugh.
As I said, you got me falling. You will always be my reason to stay. Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that?
notice I'm wearing different clothes here. This is a couple of days later. I got hit with a migraine that just knocked me completely out of commission, so I didn't get the laundry finished the first time, and I'm starting another set of laundry here. Thankfully, it didn't fill up 5 baskets of dirty clothes, but it did take me quite a while to get it all done.
I wanna hear you say, oh.
You can see here I've switched back to my normal detergent, my trusty Tide. I wasn't thrilled with the Gain. I didn't particularly care for the way it smelled, and I didn't like the way that the clothes felt, and I didn't think they looked as clean as they do with Tide. Maybe it's just me being too particular, but I was kind of surprised. I've heard a lot of people talk about how wonderful Gain is, but it just didn't do it for me. I'm sticking to Tide.
You got me falling. Did you know that without you I fade away? Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down.
I'm not going to deep clean my bathroom. I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit before I move into the office. My son moved this weekend, so we had 2 of the Grandorables spending the weekend with us, and they camped out in the office, and their blankets and pillows are still all over, and they really kind of made it a little bit of a mess. Not a huge mess, but a little bit of a mess, and I need to clean it up. I don't work well in a cluttered space, so I just want it all cleaned and tidied. And they both have colds, so I want to wipe down the desk and the surfaces that they might have been touching, and I'm going to wash these blankets and pillows and pillowcases as well.
Walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
No more dirty clothes, you guys. I'm so excited. I can't believe I finally got through all that laundry, and it only took 3 days and a migraine. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave me your comments. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon.